It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, metallic paint, rear-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive finds the Chevy Colorado is designed for the owner who wants the utility of a pickup at hand but doesn't regularly tow or haul heavy loads. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Lakeside Chevrolet is your new and used Dallas Chevrolet leader at 2005 South Goliad Street in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.